Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a video full of cleaning motivation. So I hope you leave this video feeling super inspired to tackle your to-do list today. Today's video is also a power hour. It is my first power hour, and if you have never heard of a power hour, it is where you make a list of all of the chores that you would like to get done within that 1 hour, and then you race against the clock to get it all finished.
I'm super excited today because today's video is a collab with Isabella. Her channel here on YouTube is Isabella Ross. You guys are definitely going to love her channel. She's a real relatable mom here on YouTube, and I know you're just going to love her channel. I'm going to link her information down in the description box below. She shares lots of cleaning motivation, cooking, decor, and motherhood. If y'all are new here, my name is Jessica. On social media, I'm known as Jessica Tyler. I have 3 little boys, and I'm married to my best friend, and we live in Central Arkansas. On my channel, you will find tons of cleaning motivation, motherhood, some decor, some cooking, and just anything else that kind of relates to our lifestyle. So if you want to check out my videos and you like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. I put up videos every week, and I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like every this, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but
Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Head on over to Isabella's page and watch her Power Hour collab video, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.